Investment banks and institutions are already in the market in a major way when it comes to digital assets. And today, we're going to get into the strategies that allow them to do that. I hear people speculate that we're going to see institutions move in a large way. We're going to have this huge run-up in price when they all pile in on Bitcoin or Ethereum or XRP or, whatever the token is that people are all hyped up about. But the reality of the situation is institutions are already in the market. They have OTC desks and brokers. And there are a couple different strategies that they already use on a regular basis to buy huge orders of digital assets without really impacting price in a major way. So the two main strategies that institutions use through OTC desks are going to be TWAP, which is a time-weighted average price, and the other one is a VWAP, which is a volume-weighted average price. So both of these are effective in basically averaging into the market over a certain time frame. So you might have, let's say you had $50 million, $100 million, whatever it might be, and you wanted to average into the market over a week or over a month. Well, you'll get an average price over that period, dependent on, again, if it's just over the time frame, whatever the time frame is, the average price over that period, or you can be a little bit better and beat the average price if you do a volume-weighted average. So then the algorithm will time the buys to trade within a specific band. That way, when you're looking to, execute sell orders over that period, you're going to get the best price without having, significant drops in the market. And then same thing for buy orders. When the price dips to a certain level, that's when they're going to be executing the orders. And if you had a big buy right there, it would push price up, right? So there's timing, and there's also like small allotments that they come in and purchase with to meet the order books and where they're at, so that you don't have those big swings. And what that does is it lowers fees, and you get the best price over whatever the period was. So that's how institutions have moved into the market in a big way. And by using an OTC desk, and there's multiple of them, we partner with Uphold in that capacity. Kraken has them. You've got other OTC desks that exist, Fidelity. Some of the institutions have their own that they purchase through. But this gives them the privacy, and it doesn't, it's not on people's direct radar immediately. Eventually, you'll figure out that there has been some buys in the market. Price will move up over time if they are executing these types of things over an extended period of time. And then you'll also have, a downtrend if people are continually liquidating large amounts, but there won't be big drops. When you see large liquidations in the market, if you're involved in that and you are trading it, you could have significant slippage, and there's not enough liquidity for you to execute trades. That's another reason you might want to partner with brokers. Brokers might use multiple OTC desks in order to execute buy orders all at the same time or at different times, so that you can average yourself in and out of the market without dealing with the consequences that, like just throwing it up on Coinbase and buying or selling $1 million or a couple $1 million worth is going to have on the market. If you think institutions aren't in the market yet in a really meaningful way, you would be mistaken. We've seen BlackRock aggregate a pretty significant position in Bitcoin, while the price really hasn't had a ton of volatility. But institutions are here. They're in the market in a major way. They have sophisticated tools and strategies for entering the market without moving price to where the average retail investor is going to be aware of it. So if you have a large amount of fiat, or if you have a large amount of crypto that you want to move in or out of the market, we have partners that can help you facilitate that at Digital Ascension Group. We obviously provide custodial services as well. So, would love to have a conversation with you if that's something you're interested in. Hopefully this has been valuable for you. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.